Hey folks, I'm here today with an exciting announcement for you. Finally, after years of requests, I am now ready to release my 5 instructional belly dance DVDs on my Teachable online studio. Sorry it took me so long. I can be a little slow sometimes. So I'm excited to say that beginning on Monday, every other day for 10 days, I'm going to release one of these puppies out on Teachable. And to celebrate this every other day for 10 days, I'm going to be sharing with you a combination from the DVD so that you can learn a little bit of the style and the choreography or the combinations or the technique that are included in these DVDs. And we're going to make it fun. We're going to have a good time. If you are on Instagram, you will be able to follow along, post your combinations as you learn them alongside with me, and then from there will be a winner chosen to receive all 5 of these DVDs on my Teachable online studio package. That is a $130 value. I'll be running some incredible sales the first 10 days also for those of you who want to jump in and check them out. So let me tell you a little bit about these DVDs. There is the original, the Arabian Spices. Look how young I am in this DVD. I released this when I was like 5 years old, back in 2005, I think, forever ago. This is a slow and snaky tribal fusion choreography that is great for beginners, intermediate level. All the technique is broken down. It's a 3.5-minute choreography, really fun kind of electronic music for this one, Arabian Spices. And then we had my second tribal fusion choreography, which is Ali. This one's a more up-tempo choreography. It includes not only skirt work and belly dance, but also some Bhangra and some West African. So this one is really high energy, very cardio, go, 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 and a lot of fun. Then I released my first Egyptian style DVD with my Egyptian style troupe here in Houston, Belladonna Ya Helwa. This is your more classical style belly dance. It includes some veil work, some zil work, and instruction by all 4 of the original Belladonna dancers. This one I love so, so much. I teamed up with the fabulous Sylvia Salamanca to release this Spanish Gypsy Passion Ole 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 DVD that is all fabulous, fun, high energy skirt work. This is taught not only as a solo, but also with duet variations. So this is great if you have a dance partner that you love to perform with. Sylvia and I will take you through variations to make it interesting for a duet. So that's Spanish Gypsy Passion. And then the last DVD that I released before DVDs went the way of the dinosaur and everything came out online is my Urban Gypsy Folkloric Combinations. So this is combinations that are reminiscent of the Gawazi style dancers, and this is put out in an improvisational tribal format. So I teach you the moves, I teach you the cues, I teach them in an improvisational format, but then you can also grab them and put them into choreographies as well. This one also has a lot of finger symbol work and some music theory included. So those are my 5 DVDs. Like I said, starting on Monday, these will begin to be released. To get the best deals on these DVDs, you have to be on my mailing list. You can find a link below or in my bio, so sign up for that. That way you can find out how to get your DVDs at the best price. I am super excited to finally be releasing these DVDs to you online, and I look forward to sharing with you bits and pieces of them over the next 10 days. So be sure to follow me, be sure to subscribe to my mailing list, and be sure to watch here online as those are all revealed to you. I look forward to seeing you dance. I look forward to watching your combinations come in. Let me know if you have any questions and if I can be of any help at all. Happy dancing, and I'll see you online.